there are 5 important things that you need to know to improve your company's Wikipedia page. That's what's coming up next on this episode of Wikipedia Best Practices. If you already have a Wikipedia page for yourself or for your company, the 5 requirements that you'll need as to prioritizing it is 1 is organize your media clippings. That means anything and everything that's said about you in the press is organized in such a way that you can easily access them when you're building out your encyclopedic page. The second thing that's important is, do you have the disclosure on the existing Wikipedia page? That is known as conflict of interest. Wikipedia requires that disclosure. If you represent a person or represent a company, you legally have to disclose that you work for that person or that company because it is legally enforced. If you do not, the consequences are they can block your IP address, and that can mean a lot of bad things in terms of future edits or access to the Wikipedia page. The third thing that's important for updating a Wikipedia page is to connect with the community. Post on the talk page, ask for help, and disclose your intent. If you ask for that help and say, look, I'm here to improve and correct inaccuracies or errors on this Wikipedia page. I have all the media clippings that I've organized. The Wikipedia community will be positive in terms of reception and helping you out. I'd say the fourth thing in terms of ethically updating a Wikipedia page is to be patient. Wikipedia has a policy known as no deadline. It used to be called no rush. And this means that you're mindful that the Wikipedia community is made of volunteers. They do this on their free time. They're not working on your clock, and they're not working on anybody's clock except their own. So what you might think is a deadline is not a deadline to the Wikipedia community. So what could be an easy fix by directly editing the page can mean a difficult time in actually being to correct bigger problems on the Wikipedia page, because it takes a long time for what's known as consensus and getting that content published. The fifth and final but yet important thing in terms of updating an existing Wikipedia article is do more donation of images and content that's third party. What that means is if you have content about the company, images or pictures about the company, you can donate those and add a little bit more color and graphic images to the Wikipedia page, so it's just not a narrative in text.